Okay, what I'm trying to do is put a tire back on the bead on a rim. This was a tire that was on an old vehicle that we had stored for the winter. When we took the tarp off it, this tire was flat. I tried to put some air into it, but after being, say, depressed under the vehicle for the entire winter, it came off the bead. So what I'm trying to do is to put it back on the bead. So I have some soapy water, and I'm just going to spray in along the edge right here, as well as along the back. I already have that done. Then I'm putting a ratchet strap down the center, and then ratchet this as tight as I can get, because that will squat the tire and push it outwards down here along the bead of the rim. So when I put my compressor on the valve stem, it should be able to catch and blow up. So I'll just tighten it up a little bit more. Okay, now I'll just go get the compressor. Lose the little cap. Now, let's see if it'll work. I think I may have it. Some bubbles coming up along the edge right here. No bubbles along here. And it's so yeah, it worked. So I just have to, my compressor just cut back in. So I'll put 25 or 30 pounds of air in this, and it should be fine. So there you have it. How to put a tire back on a rim, only using soap, a ratchet strap, and a compressor.